Message, bitches.
Mira, welcome to another video to Secret Garage, and this is how you start the video. That's messed up, bro. Yeah, alright, so sorry if you guys heard that. This guy, somebody was calling him, and he's like something about he likes to go to the beach and something. Alright, so we are gonna bring El Venoso to the surgery table, and we're gonna be putting this twin disc Spec clutch R154, and I heard something like I think it was like a bird say something about Molly Crower.
Yeah.
Billet forks, billet spoon and knives.
Yeah. With napkins and the whole thing inside.
He's got a whole entree, ¿cómo se dice? Okay, something about food in there. And yeah, you guys can see we're still not situated. I still got most of my tools in the box. I still got to bring my toolbox. I still got to bring a lot of things from the shop over here. So we're gonna be pulling that cart right here, and we're gonna try to get started. You ready?
I'm ready.
So we got it in. We can tell my breath. So first thing we gotta do is get this Honda out of the way. I have this Honda here because we were gonna case swap it, but the owner ran out of money because he works at the local junkyard. So we have to put it in the outside that the K20 all-wheel drive Honda. It's gonna have to wait a little bit, but damn, I'm out of breath, bro. This car weighs like 7,000 pounds. So yeah, let me open this over here. So we have light coming into the. How you open this shit? You can't opening that? Let me see. He's gonna open it. He's got this magic trick. If this was a Honda, it wouldn't be that hard. Look how easy we open Honda hoods. Open! And look at that's a D16. We're gonna take that D16 out, put a K20. But ya está abierto. Que hay que levantarlo. Dale. There, it's open. Let's see. Ay. Look at that. Beautiful. Both one and turbo, and we're still not done. Hey, you want to show them the K20 motor we got for the?
Absolutely, man.
It's over there. You got to unwrap it. We have it wrapped because of the rain.
Oh, you put it here?
Míralo ahí.
This is where you put the K20?
Ahí, ese es el K20.
Okay.
It's a big motor.
Yeah, man, we have to make sure we kept it covered.
That's the K20 motor.
Yeah.
We got in there. It's still empty. We still got to put the pistons and rods in there.
Damn.
It's just an empty block, but I mean, it's gonna.
You're gonna sleeve it though, right?
No, it's got the sleeves. You see there? Those lines. Those are the sleeves.
Okay.
So we should be soon to put it in, but we gotta wait for the owner to so he can make some money. What do you think? What kind of power we're gonna make?
Shit.
Do you think it's gonna need slicks?
Huh. With the 98 pound-feet of torque, it's definitely gonna need.
We're gonna be running 300 octane fuel.
888.
300 octane fuel.
Oh yeah, and if we could find 450 octane, even better.
Okay.
We're gonna need it.
All right, let's keep going.
Why are you sitting there jacking off, bro?
I bet. Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
So yeah, this is how we exercise over here. You guys saw back there.
Are you hitting the lats or the tries?
This is. All right, I'm done with the right one. You gotta keep them even.
It's your third set.
Yeah, man. This is my number 120 set.
That's good form. Good form.
I usually just do it. It's also like push up with my chest, and then I go up. Like
Wow, that's advanced. Eso está avanzado.
See, but I don't want to show off a lot because I don't want to hurt people's feelings. Like, look at that guy, you know. I don't want to make people feel like, why can't I do that?
Like, what's your secret to your bulking?
My secret, a lot of boost.
A lot of boost.
Yes. If you wanna do what I do, you gotta run a lot of boost. Stop running 8 pounds. All stuff internals. Yep. You know, if you wanna run, if you wanna do this kind of exercise, you gotta run like I did in my little Corolla, 22 pounds on 100 shot of nitrous. Up behind a stock automatic tranny.
You dirty girl.
Bro, that was good.
I'm gonna tell your parents.
It's alright. It's alright. So Ever, when is your car gonna be finished? Wrong answer. Today, bro. That's what we're doing. Bro, really?
Bro, it's been through the whole pandemic already. Still not done.
I know.
Ya lo loco, está bien para arriba.
You know why is your car not done yet? Because it's not finished. But once it's finished, it's gonna be done. Make sense?
Yeah, it's starting to.
Don't worry, guys. The only Harbor Freight jack stand. I don't know what's more dangerous, the coronavirus or this. Hey, but don't worry. We're doing it, so we're documenting this. We're doing a review on the Harbor Freight jack stands. Like, it's beautiful. All right, let's see if this thing doesn't fall. Look how high that thing is. All right, let's start with the back. I want to see this.
No, I can't do it.
Go for it. That's all right. He's gonna do a handstand.
I can't do it.
Do a handstand.
I can't.
With no jumping. Just try it. Just try it, and then I'm gonna try it.
Like this, I can't do it. Man.
Yeah, go for it. No, you jump. You cheated.
I can't do it.
All right, let me see. I'm gonna try it. don't recall my home. I'm gonna try it. Sin brincar. Ay. Ay. Ay, papá.
Got it.
Army power.
Got it.
So we got my brother that came to help us today, and this is the let me see. ¿Qué tú estás haciendo, Orin? Because we're putting a twin disc and R154 and we're doing it in the floor. So what's the easiest way to do this?
So for this car, NK3, to put a twin disc with the R154, your best bet is to lower the subframe.
Alright.
The cross member.
Yeah, subframe, it is. You said
No,
it
the
right.
subframe is subframe.
I said chassis.
Whatever. Cross member, you lower it. That way, you have spacing for the
Transmission.
the bell housing
Huh.
and the clutch, because the motor sits so close
To the
to
tunnel.
the top of the tunnel that since that clutch is like very thick, it pushes back. You won't have no space
That's what she said, right?
to put it in. Yeah, so you gotta lower it.
So what are the bolts you took out? You took
So
out.
I took out this one back here, and then this one over here, that one and this one, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna lower it to where the bolts, these bolts,
Don't come out of the hole.
don't come out of the hole, but are just
Low
bare
enough. Oh, right, like at the tip.
Yeah, that should give you more than enough space
Clearance.
to just slide it in.
All right. So let's keep it going. No. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna teach you guys something real quick about a little tip. So this is the twin disc clutch. Spec. Pretty much with every single clutch kit, twin disc, it's almost the same. All right. So they all most likely are gonna have like a sticker. It says it's transmission side That's the one that goes first in towards the transmission side. Transmission goes this way. Then you grab the plate, and the plate is the same either way. Okay. Then the last plate is gonna have another stick. It says flywheel, FW, flywheel side. So that means it goes like this. Okay. Now, these kits come with an alignment tool, right? This alignment tool, this is not the right one. When you put it in, you're always gonna have play. It's always gonna move sideways, right? So the two discs, they're gonna align, but it's not gonna be perfect because, and I explain to you why. This what do you want to call it, rigids or whatever, these lines are thinner. These are a lot thicker. So that little bit difference in separation, whenever you try to put this in, it's super hard to put the disc in. So if you can try to get yourself a input shaft, in this case it's a W58 or R54 input shaft, then it's gonna make it a lot more easier to put the clutch in on twin disc. If you have a regular clutch, single disc don't really matter because all you're doing is aligning the clutch. But whenever you're trying to align both things, the spirals, the splines, and the pilot bearing bushing, then you need both. So with this, when you put it in, obviously you got one, you got two, and then you tighten your bolts. Then when you put your tranny in, it goes in smooth instead of trying to fight, you know, both. Let me see something. I'm gonna try to align this one. All right, and this one. Well, you get the point. All right, let's install this now. All right, so you guys see how I use the alignment tool. Well, that's an alignment tool, the input shaft, to align the splines both. This is gonna make sure that when we put the tranny, it's gonna make it a lot more easier to slide it in. You got it in already?
Papi, esto de bajarlo.
Explica lo que tú hiciste allá con el gato en el motor al frente. What you do in the front?
So like I explained to you earlier, we lowered the cross member, right?
Uh-huh.
So after you do that, you get another jack. We usually have good jacks. The other one is in the shop. So we use this one, and we tilted the motor just a little bit.
After dropping the cross member.
After dropping the cross member without pushing the cross member up. Once that's done, you have enough angle to where nothing is gonna touch you. That space to your hands, everything can follow in.
You got all the room we got.
And then after that, you have enough space to just put it in without no problem.
Bro, you're so smart.
Once you bolt all this on.
Where you go to school?
Harvard. And then
he went to Harvard.
Yeah, Harvard University.
Harvard for mechanics.
I was yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Engineering and mechanic automotive, you know.
Diablo.
2 JC life. Entonces,
oh my goodness.
And now we just bolt it on and we up the cross member and that's it. Everything else is straightforward.
Damn, bro. God bless your brain.
God bless us all.
Alright, we have a little inconvenience because Ever doesn't know where he put the bolts for the tranny. So now he's trying to find the bolts. What are you doing? ¿Qué tú haces? Mira, hey, stop. ¿Qué tú haces?
Recogiendo estos stuff.
¿Estás recogiendo las cosas?
Yep.
¿Para qué? Ok. Mira, explícame aquí lo que tú tienes de los tonkas. A ver. ¿Qué tú tienes aquí? ¿Qué son estos, Derin? Ah, ¿esto es un revolú?
Sí. Revoluta un reguero.
Ajá, ¿y eso qué son? ¿Tonkas?
Sí.
¿De quién son esas tonkas? Ah, no sabe, ok.
Para afuera.
¿Para afuera? ¿Para la calle?
No.
Alright, Auriel, explica one more time what's happening right now.
Our
Beloved.
employee that got here.
Alright, so he got all the bolts in. Twin disc is already installed, and I think that's it for today. I mean, at least as far as the video. We're gonna continue this video later when we go to the dyno and make Sevihana.
Keep your input shaft clean.
Yes, clean your input shaft and we're gonna go see if we can make about 700 horsepower on a stock 2J. ¿Verdad, Darien? ¿Para que sí? Yeah, you see? He knows. Alright, let me continue. Everybody, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next video.